Really
Speak
good.
about me somewhere.
Yeah, being recorded.
First, Kolan, please ask everyone to mute. If those who are joining, and please ask everyone to wait for 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes, now its time is
না, যেহেতু এখন সবাই
6:20.
বাঙালি আছে তাহলে বাংলায় বল। ব্যাপারগুলো একটু বুঝে শুনে করতে হবে।
বুঝলাম। এখন 6:58, এখনো দেরি আছে। এন্ড প্রীতি স্যার আপনি একটু মিউট করুন। ওকে, নাও দীপক কুমার মন্ডল। এই দীপক কুমার মন্ডল, প্লিজ আপনি যদি কিছু বলেন আপনার সম্পর্কে কিছু।
দাদা আপনি মাইকটা আনমিউট করে বলেন। আপনার মাইকটা মিউট রয়েছে, আপনি একটু আনমিউট করে যদি বলেন।
হ্যালো, এবার শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
হ্যাঁ, শোনা
হ্যালো।
যাচ্ছে, বলুন।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আমার খুব ভালো লাগে। আমি লেভেল 8-এ আছি। আপনার যে পেজে বরাবরের প্রিয় দর্শক, এবং আমি খুব ভালোবাসি। এবং কলকাতায় আপনারা থাকেন, আমার খুব ভালো লাগে আপনাদের সাথে একবার ডাইরেক্ট যোগাযোগ করতে, বা একসাথে একটু কথা বলতে। অনেক কিছু ভুল আছে আমার হয়তো।
আচ্ছা,
অবশ্যই
আপনি কোথায় থাকেন দাদা?
আমি সোনারপুর থানা।
আচ্ছা, সোনারপুর।
হ্যাঁ, সোনারপুর থানা আমার গ্রামের নাম। গ্রামে থাকি।
আচ্ছা,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
আর কর্মজীবনে আপনি কি করেন?
কর্মজীবনে এখন তো আমার মোবাইলের কাজ, ইলেকট্রনিক্স এ, কিন্তু এখন তো কাজকর্ম একদমই বন্ধ প্রায়। কলকাতায় কাজ ছিল চাঁদনি মার্কেটে।
আচ্ছা,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। আপনাদের সব রকমই দেখি। আমি খালি ওই একটা ওই আরেকটা কানেক্ট আছে না, কি কানেক্ট বলে, ওটার সম্বন্ধে একদম কিছু বুঝতে পারি না, কিন্তু চেষ্টা করি, ঘাটাঘাটি করি। হয়তো খুব ভুল হচ্ছে। আপনাদের সাথে যোগাযোগ করা, বা ডাইরেক্ট একটু, আপনারা নন্দনে এসেছিলেন কিছুদিন আগে, বরানগর স্টেশন না বেলঘরিয়া, ওইদিকে কোনো জায়গায় একটা ব্যারাকপুর বোধহয় মিট করেছিলেন। চায়ের আড্ডা
বেলঘরিয়া।
বা
হ্যাঁ দাদা, বেলঘড়িয়াতে।
বেলঘরিয়া, সরি, করেছিলেন। সব আমরা সবসময় খেয়াল রাখি, দেখি। কোনো সময় মানে শিয়ালদাও একবার এসেছিলেন বোধহয়। শিয়ালদা,
হ্যাঁ, শিয়ালদা
ওই
একটা মিট আপ হয়েছিল।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। তা আমার খুব ইচ্ছা আপনাদের সাথে একটুখানি যোগাযোগ করা, বা একটু একসাথে মেলা আর কি, একসাথে, বা কিছু অনেক কিছু জানার আছে, অনেক কিছু বোঝার আছে, জানতে আমার খুব ভালো লাগে। আমি ম্যাপটা খুব ভালোবাসি, কিন্তু কিছুদিন হলো আমার ম্যাপটা একটু ডিস্টার্ব করছে। আমার প্রোফাইলে ইয়ে দেখাচ্ছে, মানে স্টপ করে দিয়েছে। এই ব্যাপারটা নিয়ে একটু আপনাদের সাথে আলোচনা করতে চাই। তবে আজকে হয়তো হবে না, ডাইরেক্ট দেখা হয়েই হবে। কারণ আজকে কেন হবে না, আজকে আরো অনেকে আছে, অনেকে কিছু বলবে, সেগুলো আমিও শুনছি।
আচ্ছা, ধন্যবাদ যুক্ত হওয়ার জন্য।
আচ্ছা দাদা, ওই যেটা বলছিলাম, আপনার যেহেতু ওই মানে বললেন যে ম্যাপের প্রোফাইলে ইয়ে করা বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে, তো
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
আপনি হয়তো খুব সম্ভবত 2 সপ্তাহ সময় পাবেন আপনার ম্যাপের প্রোফাইলটাকে পুনরুদ্ধার করতে হলে।
হ্যাঁ
তো
হ্যাঁ
তার জন্য একটা লিংক আপনার সাথে আমরা শেয়ার করবো পরে। ওই
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
আপনার যেহেতু হয়তো আপনার অ্যাকাউন্টটা ব্যান করে দেওয়া হয়েছে, তো ওইটাকে আবার ফিরে পেতে হলে আপনাকে একটা অ্যাপ্লিকেশন করতে হবে। জাস্ট কিছু না, ওইখানে গিয়ে একটু লিখতে হবে।
ও,
তো সেই লিংকে ক্লিক করলেই হবে। তো
হ্যাঁ
কিন্তু
হ্যাঁ
তার আগে আপনার প্রোফাইলে কিরকম কি ছবি রয়েছে, মানে স্প্যামিং এর জন্য অনেক সময় অ্যাকাউন্ট ব্লক করে দেওয়া হয় গুগল ম্যাপ থেকে। তো
হ্যাঁ
একবার যদি অ্যাকাউন্ট ব্লক হয়ে যায়, ফিরে পাওয়ার জন্য আপনি একবার সুযোগ পাবেন।
হ্যাঁ
তারপরে ওটা আবার ওই টিমের কাছে, লোকাল গাইড টিম, ওরা রিভিউতে দেবে। তো
হ্যাঁ
রিভিউ
হ্যাঁ।
এর পরে আপনার যদি দেখা যায় যে মানে আপনার যে ভুলভ্রান্তিগুলো ছিল সেগুলো এই সময়ের মধ্যে আপনাকে ডিলিট করে দিতে হবে আপনার প্রোফাইল থেকে।
ও,
দেওয়ার পরে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
তারপর রিভিউতে দিতে হবে। রিভিউতে
হ্যাঁ
দিলে তারপর যদি ওরা দেখে যে আপনি ডিলিট করে দিয়েছেন, তাহলে আপনি আবার প্রোফাইল ফিরে পাবেন।
ও,
এটাই সাধারণত হয়। তো আপনি আপনার প্রোফাইল
কোনগুলো?
লিঙ্কটা একবার যদি
হ্যাঁ বলুন।
আপনি আপনার প্রোফাইলের লিঙ্কটা একবার আমাদের সাথে, সবার সাথে শেয়ার করতে পারেন
হ্যাঁ
পরবর্তীকালে
হ্যাঁ
বা আজকে। হ্যাঁ, ওটা
হ্যাঁ।
শেয়ার করবেন। আমরা একটু দেখতে পারি যে ওটা কোনো ইয়ে রয়েছে কিনা।
আচ্ছা, ডিস্টার্ব আছে কিনা।
ওকে,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
করলেন। ইউ ক্যান কন্টিনিউ ইন ইংলিশ প্রবাবলি। Shahriar Raja
ধন্যবাদ।
Divan Dada has joined from Bangladesh.
Yes, so I started my program, and this is the episode. First of all, good evening everyone, and welcome to this episode. First of all, Happy New Year to all. And as this meetup will be suggested at English and Bengali, so I can see that we everyone are in no Bengali, so we can start it in it Bengali language. Is it possible to everyone to
No. Travel at this sir is there. So I think it should be continued in English. PG sir has given us time. So we are really proud that he has joined. We're really thankful to him. He's inspiring us always. Uh, and Asia One Season 2 is also coming. He is busy with that things, you know. Uh, so we should continue in English definitely.
okay. So I request to Tabaraji sir, please sir introduce yourself and say something about you.
Yes. Good evening to all. Hope you are all fine. How is the meeting going on? So,
Just said
I'm Thabar. Can you hear me properly?
yes, yes, you are visible clearly, and
Yeah, very
you are
good.
and I,
Yes. Tell me.
and
Yeah.
in this session I just say everyone that Happy New Year. Though we are just crossing
आप हिंदी
the
में बात करो ना.
no, that means I just actually posted it is in English and Bengali language, so I can
Okay.
probably say
Okay. Fine. So, my name is Travelji. I'm basically from Kerala, but I stay in Aircard, a small hill station which is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and of course, presently I'm in Bangalore because of the COVID, problems. Well, I'm very happy that you have been very proactive in conducting so many virtual and physical meetups. So Namaskar and wish you all the best. Thank you for, on behalf of all Indian LGs, what you are doing is a great mission. So I thank you, each one of you, and my special regards and thanks to the attendees over here. And have a big time and a great time and enjoyable time. I'm sorry, I may not be able to stay long, but then I'll be here for some time. You can always talk to me. But I have another meeting coming up, my corporate meeting. So I may have to go out. Otherwise, wish you all the best. Be cheerful, be happy, and be blessed. Okay? Bye.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank, thank you so much, TG sir. We always welcome you to Kolkata whenever we are eagerly waiting to meet you. All the Indian local guides community. We welcome you and everyone to Kolkata. And whenever we will visit Kerala, Yarkad, we will obviously let you know. Thank you so much, sir.
Aircard, Bangalore, and Kerala. Let me know. Rest of the things, I don't want to say anything big. Let me put it in the humble way. Aircard, it's fully, you can, 6 to 10 people we can accommodate in our villa. Okay. So anytime you are welcome, Bangalore or Kerala also. Rest we will talk later. Thanks a lot for the invitation. I will surely, Pritesh, at least for you children, I will definitely come, if possible, with my wife. Okay. It's my promise. And I'm not able to give you a date because of this pandemic. After the injection or vaccine, within 3 months I would start traveling, and I'm there.
Great, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
And one more thing, this program is only for you and you all, because of I just want to interact with you and with you all. That is what is the sticks behind photo uploading and reviewing any place and suggestion any place and adding a place. So I just want to know from Travelerji sir, your idea on photography and photo uploading, either on Connect on Google Map.
Yeah, I'll quickly give you that thoughts. See, it may not be too short a session because I don't want to bore you, but then I'll tell you one thing. See, in my experience, these are the couple of things what you can remember is, let's treat our Google Maps separately and Connect separately as far as photography is concerned. Okay, the reasons I'll tell you next. You should aim at growing in the platform of Google, giving 60% importance to LG Connect, where Google will feel your presence. Hope you follow me. Whether it is all the star performers, if you see, they have got star performance or star just because of their performance, 80%, 90% of their presence in LG Connect. So I would request you all to be really active. And for any support, Pritish is there. We are all there. I mean, always I'm open. I'm sorry. And next is 40% to Google Maps. So in Google Maps, we will divide it into the reviews and photographs. The reviews, according to me, try to make less mistake like when I started, because I had never had anybody to guide me. I have around 1,600 and odd reviews done. So when I look back, even if I want to go back and correct it, it may not be possible because it's almost 50,000 photos. And I may not be able to do the mistakes which has happened in the past. But whereas now, let's try to write at least that 200 characters reviews. For that, I would request you always to make a template in the mobile. Okay, what is the template? So there are some 20 important categories. Like one is a restaurant, next can be a bakery, for example, or third can be a film theater. So make a template for that. What is this template? The template is a list of items to review. For example, in a restaurant, is there car park available? Starting from where? If car park is available, write whether is it wheelchair accessible. So next, then when you enter, whether the board is clear, is it close to the road? Make a template so that you can just look at that and review your destination, POI, so that you will get 200 characters assured. Hope you got me. So like whether there is family accommodation separate, or the high chair for the children separate available, or menu for children available. So write down that for here. Suppose it is something like a hospital. You can start writing, all that what I told you, parking, etc., is emergency, this thing, etc., are important. So if you come down to what is the visitor's time, got me? Visitor's time. So if you have a template of questions to be answered, it becomes quick for you to get to 200 characters. Am I right? Bidur, Chandra. So hope you can put on your camera so I can have a small look at your faces. So then quickly and concluding, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So what happens, I'm focusing on the photo in a gist. Remember, photos in Google Map and in Google Connect, there is a difference. In Google Map, we don't upload even group photos. Whereas in Connect, when we have a meetup, it is our responsibility to take a group photo and put it. So Connect is a family environment, whereas Map is a professional environment. So always think like that. Next, so Map, the photos are totally different when you compare to Connect for one more reason, because Map, we are putting the photos for how others will get benefited, how others will see. If you ask me, I put a lot of photos if I go to a zoo. Why? Because each of the photos have got some importance. Did you follow me? Otherwise, for your information, the question people ask me a lot of times is how many photos can be uploaded for a POI. For a particular POI, how many photos can be uploaded? See, there's no technical limitation. I have even uploaded 200 photos in Zoos. Okay, there are no technical, but whereas 20 is the unwritten rule available in the platform. 20. There are 20 photos. If you are uploading to one POI, we will say it's good. I mean, sufficient. And next, can you watermark your photos? Absolutely no problem. I've been watermarking my photos and my, whatever releases what I do, I watermark it so that, we are safe. But it won't hurt you. It should not hurt others viewing it. So coming back to the clue is that when you are uploading, if you are uploading to Google Maps, and from Google Maps, if you are publishing to Google Maps, Google Photos, and from Google Photos, if you are uploading to Google Maps, the advantage is if you want to edit the photo after publishing, you found out some problem. Okay, then you can go back to your Google Photos and you can edit in Google Photos, and that will be visible in our Google Maps. This facility is not there if you are uploading directly from your mobile. Once if you have done, it goes up and the views start coming, and if you find a mistake, you can only delete it. And at the time of deletion, then quite naturally, you will lose the views already which has happened. Did you follow me? Okay. So with all that, we will have an exclusive session. I'm sure I will try to spare some time with you, give you more clues, but I'm totally prepared. So otherwise, wish you all the best. Have a great evening, and I hope I did not bore you. Let your time be valuable. And if anybody has got any quick question, I can answer and then go back to my meetup.
Okay, thank you, sir, for your sharing your experience and your idea with us. And we are very happy to know that you are following some step and information to uploading on Google Map and Connect, and that's really great. And
So one more thing I just want to add. First of all, thank you, TG sir, for sharing your valuable experience and information. And I have shared about the Asia One Season 2 invitation by our respected TG sir on behalf of the community in the chat box. We will surely share it with all the community members as soon as possible. And we are eagerly waiting for the meet. Thank you, sir.
And one more request to Pritish and Kalyan and all other dear LGs, that 10, 12, 15 seconds video, just in the landscape mode. I'm sorry, I have not published it in landscape mode. Please record a small video so that we can jointly publish in Connect, so that there will be some attention. Even we can tag Tracy for that. Okay, so Pritish, keep.
Yes, sir. I am taking the responsibility in West Bengal community. I am sharing, mentioning the things in landscape mode. We will share. Each and every LG will share.
Yeah, landscape mode, and the background can be white or black or green or Naresh ji, namaskar. So
namaskar.
So just ensure that it give a plain background so that we can edit it and give you a better image when it goes into the main editing. So thanks a lot. Nareshji, I just had little time with our children, and I'm sure they will convey my regards to you also. My humble pranam to you all. All the best. Good evening to all. Okay?
Sure, sir, sure.
Yeah. Okay then. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Naresh ji, for joining with us. And please introduce yourself here so that everyone can know about yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Naresh Darji, level 9 local guide from Gujarat, India, and guiding star 2020.
Congratulations.
Nice to meet all of you.
Yes. Sir, I just want to know from you that how your experience and your previous experiences about on to review a place what should I maintain, and should we all maintain some technique and avoid spamming?
As I tell about your my experience, it's amazing journey for me. I am contributing from around 2013 when Google Map Maker program was started, and after 2015 local guides program started. I am contributing constantly from 2015, and as well local guide program and as well as Connect also. I talk about if you are talk about the review policy, when you write a review on any place, please write a genuine review with all of details like accessibility, everything, so it can be helpful to others.
Okay, Sam. And additionally, what you say to all as a guideline for the quality contribution?
Yes, never contribute for points. Points are not important for us because every level 5 local guides are eligible for apply Connect Live or any future events. So my goal is point is not matters our contribution. Our genuine quality contribution is matters. So we contribute quality contribute like add useful photos to use to help others and write genuine reviews.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And next, I and AP. Please, AP.
Kalyan, I just want to add something. Thank you, Nareshji, for joining. He's really proud. We are really proud for him and also getting him as our senior in the community. So the local guide 6th year anniversary series of meetups, an initiative by Nareshji. I request to each and everyone who are present here to do a meetup in to celebrate the 6th year celebration of local guides connect. So Naresh has already made a post which was in trending also, so you can look at it. I am sharing the link in the chat box. So the meetup as soon as possible to submit. But also today is Saturday and Sunday.
Also training has
Yeah, also add the hash LGA.
also added announcement and our meetup link or post link also added in her post.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Naresh.
Okay, so next, I just want to AP. Please, AP, unmute yourself and say hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please introduce yourself.
Myself Abhinandan Patil from Kolhapur.
Okay, and what is your level in Google Map and contribution?
6 level. My level 6.
Okay, thank you for joining with us. And next, I just want to Pritesh Viswas to say about our video quality, and if we want to upload a video on Google Map profile, then why we are uploading video to the Google Map, and what is the benefit from what is the benefit from it, who are following and who will follow the video.
Thank you, Kollan, for giving me the chance. But before that, I just want to ask AP if he has any question like about whatever Nadeshji and TG sir said. Have you faced any trouble like in mapping, or what is his experience? We just also want to listen from you. Please go.
Right now, I didn't travel, but whenever I go any place, that time I added place photos and reviews. Hello.
Hello, hello. You are audible.
Right now, I didn't travel, but whenever I go any place like a hotel, yeah, other historical place, That time I review on that places, photos, adding, so I can help to others.
Okay. So are you from village or a town?
Kolhapur district.
Kolhapur is you live in a village or that is a town or city?
That is a city.
Okay, so the thing I need to mention, you don't need to travel always for adding something to maps. There are lots of shops, right? There are lots
Yeah.
of small business around you. You can also add them to maps. That really helps them. You can also add the proper review of the shops there. Okay, there are lots of shops. Obviously, there will be in city, so you will get lots of things to add in maps. So and regular contribution will make you a quality contributor. How we can contribute regularly? Suppose you have taken lots of pictures of different shops, and just keep them in phone gallery, and each and every day you can add one shop photo of one shop, and after adding you can delete it from your gallery. So you have made your data, you have collected your data, and just contribute regularly. Google always look for your regular contribution. So suppose after 2 weeks you are adding 40 photos and getting 200 points. That Google actually don't need that. Google actually will look for regular contribution, regular small point. How you can do that? You can do in that way, and also you can add review after 2 or 3 days. And how you have to write the review, as Travelerji sir said, suppose for a small business you are adding a review, so like first write the where is the shop is situated, where which items you will get in that shop. Then by point you can write is there any wheelchair accessible entrance, wheelchair accessible car parking area, smooth entrance from the road to the shop. So you can really help the small business, but don't add the phone numbers in the review, that is spamming. And also try to take the pictures from a angle so that the shop name and the other information in the shop's board signboard that is visible, and add them. And try to do that regularly. Means suppose you have go to Sunday a market, you have taken pictures of all the shops, keep it in your phone gallery. Try start adding them from Monday, and adding them and delete from your phone gallery. Okay, so that's why your phone memory will also be saved, and you can do the quality contribution, regular contribution. And so you can start in this way. So you don't need to travel fast, explore. You can explore your or update the map information of your locality. So let's first try that. Okay.
Okay, thank you for informing properly, and hope you all and AP can understand all this matter, and how to we have to contribute. We have to contribute regularly, and we have to how to avoid spamming and regular contribution. Now with us Tijol Saya ma'am just joining. Uh, Hello Tijol ma'am. Hi. Am I audible? Hi. Hello Tijol ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Kolan, you are audible. Hello, Tejal ma'am. Are you there?
Okay. So I just want to next and Bidur Chandra. Bidur Chandra, please say something about yourself and your contribution and your idea and your experiences with us. Please share.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Yes, you are audible. Please. Yes, you are audible, and you can share your opinion and your experiences with us.
Kolan,
Hello, there is an internet connection problem. Okay, hello.
hello, you are
Yes.
audible.
Yes. Okay, and just Bidur and just saying us that you are here in poor network connection. So now we And next, Tuhin Jana. Tuhin Jana, please introduce yourself.
Hi, good evening all.
Good evening.
I am Tuhin Jana. I am from Howrah, Amta, where Bidur also belongs to. Um, I I am a level 8 Google local guide, and today actually I join to know how our West Bengal local guide, about the planning of West Bengal local guide and what they want to do throughout the year. Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you for joining with us. And next, I just want to say, and our through our presentation, please present, please present and
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
okay. Firstly,
Please continue. So as Tuhinda asked, what is the target of West Bengal local guide community this year? So I just want to mention here, Naresh is also present. Naresh is Connect Live attendee 2018. So as a local guide, each and every one of us somehow thinks that we'll go someday to Connect Live to the USA Summit. But we don't know how to go there, right? We think that we have lots of contribution to maps, lots of contribution, lots of photos, videos, and small reviews. We have lots of points to maps and we will be selected, but that is not the reality. So what is the reality? Reality is the you have to do regular contribution to Google Maps, and that should be quality contribution first of all. Second point is you have to be active in localguidesconnect.com. That is the most important point. You have to be active in localguidesconnect.com. Otherwise, there is no chance of getting selected in Connect Live. Now the question may come, why I am thinking of Connect Live? See, each and every day we spend lots of times in Facebook, WhatsApp, and any social media. But I don't think any other social media platform will give you a single sticker. I have not received any single Facebook sticker or WhatsApp sticker from that company. But Google Maps, if you are doing like quality contribution, that is also a volunteer work. We are also updating the information, but instead of Facebook, WhatsApp, we should be little more active in localguidesconnect.com. So there is a chance to be get selected in Connect Live to interact with all the global local guides. That is something very special to each and every local guides. So to get selected, they obviously will look at your past 1 year performance or activity in Connect and Maps. So I just want to mention that the target of West Bengal local guide community is to make the community members local guides connect bound. They they're trying to we are trying to make each and everyone look in little bit active in Connect. 5 to 10 minutes each and every day we can do, because each and every day 5 to 10 minutes we usually give to Facebook with random Facebook scrolling. So instead of that, if we can give to Connect, some authentic information is there from Connect. There are lots of posts, travel posts. You can interact with lots of people, global people who which you can really trust. So that is something I think really great. So that is the thing. So the only target is to make the local guides Connect bound, not only but also to update the information. And also we have doing the accessible Bengal, and lots of things will come very soon, so we'll discuss that. Okay, so that is the thing, Twinda. And also the meetup thing, for to get selected in Connect Live, we can do the you have to host meetup. So meetup nowadays, solo meetup also can be done. So you can start also solo meetup. You can in the meetup section of localguidesconnect.com, you can easily have a look to the how the solo meetup we are conducting and or anyone is conducting. So you can also start. Just the thing we need to do is the starting the thing. If we can start, I can tell you that it will really be a habit of you. So you just need to start it. So that is the thing.
Okay, thank you, Prithvi sir, for your detailed explanation and the whole matter. And now with us, Aloypal is now joining. Aloypal, please introduce yourself.
Hi, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please
Hi
introduce
guys,
yourself.
I just joined recently. I was kind of busy. My name is Alvi. I'm from Kerala, India, but now I'm staying in Philippines for my studies. I'm a level 8 local guide, and nice to meet you all.
Okay, thank you for joining with us.
Thank you.
And I am going to share my experience with you about the slideshow. If we continue,
Kullan, can I take 1 minute just? So I just want to if Naresh is there, so we can ask him to share his experience about the guiding star thing. So I think that will motivate lots of local guides who are present here today. So if Naresh ji can share. Hello Naresh ji, are you there? Okay, so Kullan, you can continue. Later we'll do that.
okay.
Hello. I have a question about the solo meetup. Can I ask?
Yeah, yeah.
If I want to conduct a solo meetup, then should it be approved by the Google as like other meetup?
Yes, it was already approved, and we are also making program and solo meetup, various type of solo meetup, food crawl meetup, and accessibility meetup, and lots of meetup you can organize, and that is also possible.
No, actually, I am want to say if I want to conduct a meetup like others meetup, I should submit the meetup information before 3 or 4 days um, the actual meetup, na? So
Yes,
if I conduct a solo meetup, the procedure is same or not?
yes, the procedure is same.
Tuhinda, I just want to add something. It is better, always better to submit your meetup 1 week before, because suppose you are going to conduct it Tuesday, and suppose if you are submitting in today, like Saturday and Sunday, no meetups get approved from Googlers because that is holiday probably for them. So except Saturday and Sunday, you can submit from Monday to Friday, and it is better, always better to submit 7 days ahead of the meetup date. And nowadays it easily gets approved, normally gets approved in between 6 to 7 hours. And for the solo meetup thing, I just want to mention you like our recent accessibility champion from India, Tushar Suratkar Dada, has also conducted series of solo accessibility meetup, and he has been declared as the accessibility champion. So that doesn't matter, you can do the solo meetups. And also from West Bengal local guides community, I also conducted the Durga Puja photo walk meetup. That was also a solo meetup due to the COVID-19 things. That was also in trending of Connect. So, and also mentioned in the guiding star profile of me. So you can conduct solo meetup, no problem with that. You just need to start it. That is the thing. And also write the recap post. Without recap post, a meetup is not complete. So we also need to do the recap post, write the recap post after the meetup.
Pritish, can I add something here?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am.
Here, I would like to add that you can host a meetup in any third party. For example, tomorrow's my meetup is approved. My meetup for I have arranged on the FB. Another my meetup was there is as per Naresh Bhai's post how to conduct a meetup. It was on the Google form. So any third party you can use host a meetup, but if today is Saturday and if I want to host a meetup on Monday or Tuesday, then they will not accept. They will approve within 6 to 7 hours. That is okay, but you have to give a date before 1 week. Okay. And
Okay.
Naresh Bhai has given a link of the post how to conduct a easy meetup. You can go through that. It will be the easiest way. Thank you. Over to you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
1 minute, Finland. When you submit your meetup, please sure your post is your own, your writing is your own, and use a
Photos.
suitable banner for meetup, and use your own pictures. Don't use any social media pictures, otherwise they will disapprove your meetup.
Okay, thank you for your informing and just I may I share my experience and in my slide, please.
Yeah, Kollan, sure. And we also want to hear from Naresh ji about his guiding star experience, and also from Tejal ma'am, her experience. We also need to hear that. I am eagerly waiting for that.
Okay, so we can just listen from Naresh Dorji and his experience and his excitement to achievement to become a guiding star. Please, Naresh Dorji.
This year I have selected for Guiding Star 2020. It is possible through our community support. Without community, we are nothing. So my request to all LG, please support your community members, each other. Spend 5 minutes in a week, a day, 5 minutes in a day to support our community. Because you support someone, he goes up level. So I request to all of you, please support. If I talk about my experience, it was a really amazing and little hard journey for me. When I started, I am alone. I learned lots of things throughout new post, connect moderators, my fellow local guys like TG sir, Tejal ma'am, Amrish bhai, and much more LGs who have supported me. So I always tell everybody to help our community. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for sharing your experience. And additionally, I want to say and what to Pritish. So, what you want to know from Tijol ma'am? So you can ask him a question and ask him something.
As we are listening from each and every local guide, so we also would like to hear from Tejal ma'am about she's also doing great with the accessibility thing, and she had also one meetup today or probably has tomorrow, and with small business she is also doing something great. So we would also like to hear from her. So Tejal ma'am, can you please share something about with all of us?
Yeah, sure. Tomorrow is my turn. It is regarding to accessibility place in my town. I will upload the information like you people are doing. Plus, I will add the information who people are doing the business and they are accessible. That is also important. I will add the review. I have already, if you have remember, Paresh Bhanushali.
Yeah, yes.
He doesn't have had and he is running his business very successfully. So I know few people like this. So I will add those business and people who are doing a job for accessible people. For example, one mechanic is here. He is he has designed accessible scooter. So I will add his business information on the map and make a small article, and where is this, where wheelchair can, like other things what you are doing, that I will do in my town. But I would like to sorry, add one more thing. Find the accessible people are also working somewhere, right? They are not sitting
Yes,
at
yes.
home. So find those kind of, if you are doing accessible work, definitely you will find up accessible people who are working. So you can take the photos of those people and add the information on the map. For example, Paresh Bhanushali. So Paresh Bhanushali doesn't have hand, but the way he was working, amazing. If you seen him live now, you will get the goosebump.
Yes, yes.
So you can add the information those who are doing accessible people and they are running a business very successfully. That is my input for the all accessibility meetups. Over to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Tejal ma'am has really said something actually which is needed, and actually which can help them who need it more. So we will definitely go as per Tejal ma'am's suggestion. So thank you, ma'am, so much, and all the best for
And
your tomorrow's meetup.
thank you.
Please, ma'am.
And one more thing, you will find the blind people nearby you, right?
Yes,
In your
yes,
town,
yes.
blind school is there. You can educate them about the technology. We are uploading the information on the map. Okay, this is the accessible place. But the people who are using the accessible things, they don't have any knowledge about the thing. For example,
Yeah.
I don't have eyes. Barabar? Then I don't know how to use accessible places. Then what is the use of that?
Yeah.
So somewhere, if we are doing this way, we have to think both the सिक्के के दो बाजू होते हैं वैसे. We have to think the both side. I have started my blind school classes from this week. I will give them training. What is the accessible thing? What is the braille lipi? What is the important of braille lipi? That is also important, right? So you think the both side. Give awareness to the accessible people कि हाँ भाई आपके लिए ये this place is accessible. You can go there. That is also important. Over to you. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, are you okay? Is your health okay?
No, just cold and cough.
Okay. So hope we will be fine soon.
Yeah,
So
thank
what
you.
to call? Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, I have another question arise in my mind. Can I ask?
Yes, please ask.
Especially, I am asking to Pritisan Kollan bhai that you people you conducted so many Access Bengal meetup on different railway station. So if I want to conduct like this meetup, should I take permission from station master or it is not necessary?
And here I just want to tell you two things. That is, if the station is very much crowded and most sensitive, that is Sialdah station and Harwar station. This station are much sensitive by some violence and other. So you have to take some permission
From the
information.
RPF. Yeah. So in our case, we took the permission from the RPF, from the Railway Protection Force. First, they denied it, but then in my case, I tried to make them the use of it. Luckily, I made the RPF in just beside the accessible ramp. So, I just showed him. So there is a ramp. So I am just uploading the information in Maps, updating the information in Maps. So like in my case, he has accepted it. So it is better, as Kollanda suggested, in Howrah station or Kolkata station. That is the most sensitive spots of Kolkata. So here it was necessary also for Kollanda in case of Shialda station. But suppose you are in a station which is in village, so I don't think if there is no RPF, so you don't need to take permission. And also the thing is, we are updating the accessibility information, and as Tejal ma'am said, so we need to also make them aware this is accessible. Like in the case of the Kolani station meetup, so they are the platform 2 and 3 is not accessible because wheelchair cannot go there. So in the review of my Kolani station, so I just added the thing that only in reality the only platform 1 is accessible, 1 and 4, because if the wheelchair cannot go to the platform number 2 and 3, so that is not accessible. So this is the thing I just want to mention. And as per Tejal ma'am's suggestion, that is a great suggestion. We need to, for whom we are actually updating the information, we need to make them aware how they should use it. That is the thing.
Hope Tuhin Jana, you already understand and what should we have to permission or not. And
Yes, thank you very much. I think in case of large station, if we manage to take uh, what to say,
Permission.
written permission, I think it will be good for our future.
Okay, we can see that. So Kollan.
That's one thing. We have to always be safe and be no involved in any violence case. So in my opinion, you have to permission all and you take a proper measurement and proper take safety measurement as you can take as possible. Because of if you find any violation and legally in any situation, then Google Map don't
So to in the actually Google Map will not take the responsibility. The thing is, suppose accessible in case of accessible ATM meetup, so which I conducted. So there are obviously the ATM is the sensitive thing, right? So robbery can happen in ATM any day at any time. So if I am leaking the pictures of the ATM, so they will probably make their plan according to that way. And after the police case, if police catch me, like they will arrest me, right? I have updated the information in internet. So before taking the pictures, I personally asked the security guard and first made them understand why I am doing that. So that was the case for me.
Pritish, better we
Yes,
don't
Tejan
touch
ma'am.
ATM center and bank.
No, I am not entering. I just took it from outside.
No, not I am talking about. We don't take
Okay, okay,
any
okay.
information.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
hope all question is clear. So now just I want to say something just in 5 minutes about our badges and in Google Map. So if we contribute to Google Map, then Google Map also get also provide us something special, which is special, that is novice reviewer. If you review a place and then it will be helpful to all. And after that you have to go on and expert reviewer and master reviewer is that is the point. If you upload your opinion and your contribution over to 200 character, then you will get extra point. That is really great, and extra 10 point you will get. And through this review you can also help other. That is what is the actual our mission, that is to help other. And after that you will if you upload photos and reviews, you will get a table chart, and after that you can master tabular, and you will get something special, especially in the for Google Map, and this is really helpful to everyone and every who access it and who use it. And after that, this is the fact finder batch, and please okay, and then I just overlooking that master fact finder batch, and after that you can get an expert photographer, and after that you can get a novice director. Overall, these the matter. I just only say some points. That is the if you review a place, then please make a review and a quality review. That is not only you review the place and that is cool, that is a great place, that is a accessible place. It is not. Please describe your own experience and own level. And also if you able, you can share your video and photos with it, and not please don't share your video and photo of your own and any other video which is not related to that place. So this is my key point, and keep mind is please. So and it will be also helpful to you and all user.
So as Tejal ma'am suggested, so we should not give information about the bank, police stations, like these sensitive things, and also ATM. So that is the thing I also want to add. So thank you, Tejal ma'am, for reminding.
For the safety
Yeah,
purpose.
yes, definitely.
And one more thing, that is you all have to take a necessary step to save yourself from your side, because of you have to make all this, and this is the volunteer program, and we all know that this is volunteer program. And if you upload any sensitive photo and sensitive information to map, that that will over to you, and you will only responsible for that. Google Map don't take any proper step to against you, and will not support you. So this is my last, and please say about your idea and your information and your experience, if you want to say.
No, I just want to add, as Kulan the suggested, said that Google will not take the responsibility. So actually, that is not the thing. So Google will not take the responsibility, definitely, and that's why there are some policies about local guiding program by Google. So we have to work. So we have to contribute voluntarily, keeping that points in our mind. So that is the only thing, and we can have a quick look to the policy letter. We can share the link also later. So that is a thing, and never spamming. So that's why Kolanda.
Yes, and we have to always look a quality contribution, and always leave and always share your opinion and your photo and video. That is will help others and our other community to get knowledge and to get experience about the places and about the information of that places. That is over to write a review about more than 200 character and less than 200 character, and so that they can realize the whole fact and the whole information. And you have to take a picture. Please don't upload a picture more than 4 or 5. Then it will be actually not not a contribution which is helpful to you. And if you and also a video, you please upload a video to more than 2 or 3. 3 is a little bit higher. You can add a video 1 or 2, that is enough to for any information to know the places actually. So this is my side, and this is my actual opinion and my experience. And I want to lastly I want to say Bidur Chandra, if your network is stable, and you can say something about your idea, your experiences.
Good evening, all. I am Bidur Chandra from Howrah, West Bengal. I am a level 7 local guide. I start my journey from 2016.
That's really great. And what is your level?
My level is 7.
Okay.
So just a quick reminder, just before ending the meetup, that the thing is, we all need to be Local Guides Connect active. Why we need to be Local Guides Connect active? So we have to treat maps and Local Guides Connect as two different things. So Local Guides Connect is like our family. We can share the group photos there in the family. So that is the Local Guides Connect thing. And map, we don't know that. Map is like the professional thing, as the traveler sir said. So in Local Guides Connect, we need to be present to make the Googler feel that we are also present there. So that is the thing. So let's finish the meetup, Kolanda.
Yes,
Thank you so
the
much
time,
everyone for joining.
and time is already 7:59 and almost 8 p.m.
And everyone is বাঙালি here, so মানে আমি শেষ বলতে চাই যে দীপক দাদা যেটা বললেন যে আমরা মিট করতে চাই, এবং তুহিনদারও খুব উৎসাহ রয়েছে, তো অবশ্যই আমরা তাড়াতাড়ি খুব মিট করব। সেটা এখানে হতে পারে কলকাতা, বা আমরা আমতার দিকে করতে পারি, বা সোনারপুর যেটা বললেন। তো শীঘ্রই আমরা হয়তো দেখা করব একসাথে, এই বলার।
হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই আমরা দেখা করব, কথা হবে, এবং আপনাদের মতামত জানা হবে, আপনাদের কতটা কিরকম কোশ্চেন আছে সেগুলো আলোচনা করা হবে, এবং আমাদের সাথে আপনারা যুক্ত থাকবেন অবশ্যই। আমরা আপনাদের সাথে সাহায্য করবো যথাযথ, এবং সর্বোপরি আমরা কেউই কিন্তু এখানে সব জানতা নই। আমি বলুন বা প্রীতিশ দাই বলুন, বিদুর দাই বলুন, কেউ সব জানতা নই। যতটা পারি আমরা আপনাদের বলার জন্য সাহায্য করব, বা আপনাদের কিছু জানার থাকলে সেগুলো জিজ্ঞাসা করতে পারেন। আচ্ছা, এই বলে আমি তাহলে আমি আমার প্রোগ্রাম শেষ করছি। আর প্রীতিশ দা, তাহলে আপনার কিছু বলার থাকলে বলুন।
অনেক ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে, ঠিক আছে, শুভরাত্রি।
শুভরাত্রি।
শুভরাত্রি। একটা গ্রুপ ফটো হবে নাকি?
গুড
হ্যাঁ,
নাইট।
একটা গ্রুপ ফটো হলে হয়, যদি পসিবল হয় তাহলে ক্যাপচার।
সবাই একটু স্ক্রিনশট গুলো শেয়ার করে দেবেন।
হয়ে গেছে।
ধন্যবাদ।
ধন্যবাদ।
তাহলে সবাইকে টাটা, গুড নাইট।
গুড নাইট। রেকর্ডিংটা অফ করো।